Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, in this video we are going to start a new lesson. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Okay, Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Okay, and this is taken from our Marigold English textbook, and it is from the unit 3. Okay, my dear students, here in this lesson, we are going to learn an amazing thing about Robinson Crusoe. One who is living in an island. Robinson Crusoe is living in an island. Okay, and he is living there alone in the island because once it so happened that he had just gone for visiting in the sea, roaming in the sea. That time, his ship was destroyed by the sea wave. His ship was destroyed by the sea wave, and from that day onwards, he was living in an island. Okay, so as he is living alone in an island, he is just longing for somebody, longing for his friends, longing for someone else to live with, because he is alone in an island and he is now boring, and also he may be frightened in the island to live alone. Yes or no? Most of us are afraid when we are alone in the house, or when we are going alone somewhere, then we are what? We are frightened, और हम डर जाते हैं. तो इसी तरह से ये जो रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो है, वो एक आइलैंड में वो अकेले रह रहा है, क्योंकि उसका जो शिप था, उसका जो जहाज था, वो समुद्र के पानी की वजह से डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था. समुद्र के वेव की वजह से उसका शिप डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था. जब उन्होंने घूमने के लिए इधर आए थे तब, तो उसी दिन से वो अकेले आइलैंड में रहने लगे. तो जैसे जैसे वो अकेले रह रहे, अकेले रहकर उनको थोड़ा सा बोरिंग लग जाता है कि उसके साथ कोई भी नहीं है, बात करने के लिए, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर साथ में घूमने के लिए कोई भी नहीं है, तो वो एक साथी चाहिए उनको अभी. Okay, so I'm in search of a friend. He is just going and walking on the seashore. Walking on the shore. Then, as he was walking on the shore, he found a footprint. Okay, and he's finding a footprint, and that footprint was not a normal footprint. Okay, like our footprint. That footprint was a big one, a huge footprint he found there. And as he saw the footprint on the shore, on the sand, okay, on the sand, you can see the footprint. Here is the footprint, and here is the Robinson who is living in the island. Okay. Then you see, when he saw the footprint, he is amazed, he is surprised. अरे बाप रे, इतने बड़े footprint मुझे दिखने को मिले. And he is just looking around around himself. He is looking behind, looking forward, and looking up and down. He is climbing on the tree to look down. If anybody is there who has come to this island, if anybody is there who has come to this island and whose footprint it is, ये footprint जो यहाँ पे सैंड पे छोड़ा गया है, वो किसका है? उसको ढूंढने के लिए वो क्या किए, इधर उधर देखे और पेड़ के ऊपर भी चढ़कर थोड़ा सा देखने के लिए कोशिश किए, पर कोई भी दिखाई नहीं दिया किसको, रॉबिन्सन को. और उसी की वजह से वो क्या हो जाते हैं, बहुत घबरा जाते हैं, बहुत डरने लगते हैं. And as he is getting afraid, he is just running away when he is not looking anybody. He is running away inside the forest, and he is just going to his castle. Just going to his hut, inside the hut or inside the house. We can see his house is there in Island. He has made, and inside that house he went and he closed the door, and inside that he is just trying to pray to God to save him, because he thought the footprint was also a big one, so he thought that it may be the footprint of what? A huge man, or it will be a footprint of some ghost or some kind of unusual man or giant. Okay, we can say that here. I will show you the meaning of that. Then you will understand. It may be savages. Okay, it may be the footprint of the savages, the wild people in primitive state, and that wild people का footprint हो सकता है या फिर कोई बहुत बड़ा इंसान का footprint हो सकता है जो मुझे खा सकता है. Okay, that is what he thought, and he was frightened and he just ran away to his castle, in his house, and he just started praying that night. Okay, and in that night he did not sleep also did not come to him. Okay, and he started praying, and when he is praying, just he is getting little brave or little courage he is getting. Okay, then my dear students, that is what the story we are going to see here in this lesson, and we'll just try to understand, and I will explain you more about this. Okay, so let us see. Before we start, everybody has seen this picture. Okay, everybody has seen this picture of the Robinson Crusoe, and here the footprint you can see here. That is what the Robinson Crusoe is finding the footprint. And let us start with, okay, here before we read, some information is given about this Robinson. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. अभी क्या होता है कि ये जो रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो जो है उसका शिप जो है उसका जहाज जो है उसको क्या किया गया था, डिस्ट्रॉय किया गया था. कैसे? समुद्र के पानी की वजह से या फिर समुद्र की वजह से उसका शिप जो है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था. Then he had been alone for many years, और वो अकेले वो आइलैंड में है बहुत दिनों तक नहीं लेकिन बहुत सालों से वो अकेले वहां पे रह रहे हैं. और वो लॉन्ग फॉर company means here friend. Okay, long for friend. So he is longing for, he wants to have a friend. Okay, longing for a friend. Okay, company means friend. Let us find out what he did then. तो हम देखते हैं कि उनको फ्रेंड चाहिए तो उसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया. Okay, one day when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. Okay, now the Robinson is saying that one day we saw that he is looking for friend. Okay, so he is in search of friend. He went to outside of his house. Okay, so one day when I was going towards my boat, और एक दिन वो अपना बोट की तरफ जा रहा है. उसके पास शिप नहीं है लेकिन उसके पास अभी क्या है, एक बोट है. ये देखो एक नाव है. तो उसी तरह वो जा रहा था उसी तरह, और उनको एक सरप्राइज लग गया कि वो जैसे वो जा रहा है अपने बोट की तरफ तो उनको एक सांड में या फिर ये जो सांड यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है समुद्र किनारे में, उसके ऊपर उसको क्या मिला, एक फुटप्रिंट ऑफ ए मैन, एक इंसान का फुटप्रिंट वहां पे दिखने को मिला. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. And what happened? As he's looking at the footprint, he was amazed. Amazed means what? Surprised. Okay, amazed means surprised. So he was surprised to see that one, the footprint on the land, on the sand. And that was footprint of a man. It was. Okay, and he tried to listen. He tried to listen either the sound of a man is coming from anywhere or where the man is living, whose footprint I am able to see here on the sand. Then he looked around me. Then I looked around me. और वो एक उसका चारों तरफ देख रहा है कि किधर वो इंसान है जिसका फुटप्रिंट यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है. क्या वो यहाँ पे है, क्या वहां पे है, या फिर मेरे साथ है. Where is the man whose footprint is seen in the sand? He is trying to look. Then I could neither hear nor see anything, and he also says that I could neither hear nor see anything. मुझे कुछ भी सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा है और कुछ दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा, लेकिन सिर्फ मुझे क्या दिखाई दे रहा है, फुटप्रिंट ऑन द सैंड ऑफ ए मैन. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट. बट कोई भी नहीं दिखाई देता उसके चारों तरफ और कोई भी आवाज सुनाई नहीं देता. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but the one. Okay, तो अभी वो भी ये करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो कि क्या, I went up high to look down. He is just going to the higher places, or he is just climbing on the trees to look down. Either the man is there or no, or any other footprint of that particular footprint which I have discovered or which I have seen in the sand is there or no. That is what he is trying to find out. Okay. Then again I went down the shore and down the shore. He is going to the shore also, seashore. Okay, समुद्र किनारा को shore बोला जाता है. समुद्र किनारा को shore बोला जाता है. तो वही shore में या फिर समुद्र किनारे वो यहाँ वहाँ जा रहा है, आगे जा रहा है, पीछे जा रहा है, और he is just roaming there and trying to find out any other footprint, but he is not able to find out. Only that one only. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. Then what he is doing, he just looked at the footprint. Then after some time again he is going to that particular place. और फिर से वो वही जगह में जाता है. वो फुटप्रिंट सही है या फिर वो सिर्फ मेरा सोचना है या फिर मेरा इमेजिनेशन. इमेजिनेशन मींस थिंकिंग, और इज इट माय थिंकिंग ओनली, और क्या वो फुटप्रिंट जो मैंने देखा वो सच में है या फिर सिर्फ मेरा सोच था. हाँ, in order to confirm, he is going back again to that particular place where he had discovered that footprint. Okay. Then, but I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the footprint of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. लेकिन वो बोलता है कि yes, I was not mistaken, or it was not my mistake, or it was not the imagination. I had seen the footprint, the real footprint, which had the print or image of the toes. Okay, हमारा पैर का जो toes है और बाकी सारे fingers का जो निशाना है वो सारे के सारे है पूरा एग्जैक्टली इंसान जैसे, एक इंसान का फुटप्रिंट जैसे दिखाई दे रहा है. मतलब वो रियल है, वो उसका इमेजिनेशन नहीं था. Okay, then I could not imagine how it came there, and he's also not able to see, or he's not able to imagine how that footprint came there, because when he saw the footprint, he tried to find out either is there any human being or is there any other footprint in the seashore, okay, beside that footprint. लेकिन उसको कोई भी अलग footprint नहीं मिला था. इसी की वजह से वो क्या हुआ, बहुत घबरा गया, और उसको ये भी ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा है कि either it is his imagination or it is his thinking only. Okay, but when he confirmed again, it was the real footprint, not the imagination. Okay. And you just imagine, you just think, okay, अकेले हैं वहां पे आइलैंड में, और वहां पे सिर्फ एक ही फुटप्रिंट दिखाई देता है, और वो फुटप्रिंट छोटा नहीं, थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, और एक इंसान का फुटप्रिंट है. लेकिन वो इंसान को ढूंढने के लिए प्रयास करता है, कोशिश करता है, तब उसको कोई आवाज भी नहीं सुनाई देता, कोई आदमी भी नहीं दिखाई देते. What will be the situation of that man? He will surely be afraid. Okay. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. And now he is just thinking on that, thinking about that footprint. What is the footprint of this, or whose this footprint is, and how this footprint came in the shore. Okay, that is what he is just trying to think about. कैसे आया यहाँ पे, शोर पे आया तो आया, लेकिन एक ही फुटप्रिंट कैसे आया? कम से कम एक इंसान वहां पे चला होगा या फिर वॉकिंग किया होगा, तो कम से कम 2-4 फुटप्रिंट तो दिखना ही चाहिए, लेकिन एक ही फुटप्रिंट दिख रहा है और कोई इंसान ही नहीं दिख रहा है. तो ये कैसे आया? How did it come there? Okay, and from where it came, or whose footprint is it? So he's just going on thinking about that footprint, and as he is thinking more and more, he is becoming more and more confused. उसको बहुत confusion लगने लगा है. जितना वो सोचता है उतना वो confused होने लगा है. Okay, my dear students, rest of the lesson or rest of the part of this lesson we are going to see in the next video. Okay, now till this we have seen one day he is coming out of his castle because he was longing for a friend, and he's just going on the seashore towards his boat, and that time he is finding the footprint, and he's trying to look around and trying to listen either there is a human being there is a man whose footprint is there, but he is not able to see any of the human being or any of the man or any other footprint also. Okay, so again and again going to that place, either it is his imagination or it is a real footprint, in order to check it or in order to clarify it, but it was a real footprint, and he was confused more and more. Why? He started thinking on that, because only one footprint and there is no other human being, and that was a real footprint, and nobody is in there and no sounds are heard there. So as he started thinking and thinking, and as he is thinking more and more, he is becoming more and more confused. Okay, later on what he is doing we'll see in the next video.